Chemtrails blowed over on us from Georgia. In other words, they sprayed them up in Georgia. They still got one up there spraying. And they zoom in on them. And I'm not there yet. It's right there. Chemtrailer. They're still spraying. Y'all people up in North Carolina, Virginia, all the way up to Pennsylvania, that's where this will blow to. They put them down here in Georgia, it blows across, and then it starts blowing north up over y'all. There's radioactive barium, radioactive strontium, and aluminum oxide. None of those are good for us, but our military sprays that on us. I don't know if it comes down in the rain or what it does. But it seems like if they spray us, 4 days later we get rain. And they ain't got to spray every day. I see them spraying, and then I won't see them spraying, and 4 days later it will be raining. Chemtrailer up there. Can't tell what he is. I can't see him good enough, but that is military. Commercial jets don't fly that low. Alright, y'all. So chemtrailing over Abbeville. And like I said, that one you can't see it far enough away. Alright, thank you. Hope you enjoy this. God bless y'all. Got a chemtrailer up there. Still going across. He's heading east right now. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. They starting to spray us today. It's 5:30 in the morning. Well, I've been up since 5:30. It's probably about 6 or something now. I don't know. I can't see my clock. Anyway, welcome to Abbeville, y'all. And thank you, Alabama, and thank you, Georgia, for all the sprays that are being sprayed over y'all. Get ready, we're living on a weird-ass planet. We got weird, corrupt governments now. We need to stand up for our God-given rights and be free men again. Quit being slaves of the U.S. government, and they need to stop this shit. It's not good. None of that stuff's good, and they just sprayed on it. Alright, thank y'all. I'm at Kurt's house now. Kurt's got a cat, got a couple of cats. Hey, Kiki. Hey. Alright. Hey. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know how well you can see this. Let me see if I can zoom in and get where I can see it. I got two chemtrailers up there side by side. But I got the bright sunshine in my eyes, so it's hard to see. There's one of them, and there's one to the left of it. I can barely see it on my screen. Alright, so anyway, there's the rest of them up there. Not too many now coming out of the west. It just adding to what we got here. Alright, thank y'all. Alright, thank you.